तू चलिया. Lemon and hello, meet Zofi's prep chef Aisha Abrar.
Hey guys.
Hi, welcome to today's vlog. और ये आज डिफरेंट है. डिफरेंट इसलिए है कि आज मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ हूँ ज़ोफ़ी, who currently lives in भूरबन, और हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी 4 महीने पहले.
हाँ, भूरबन में, जंगलों में.
भूरबन में, जंगलों में. और शी इज़ बेसिकली मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, लाइफ कोच. तो मुझे विजडम, फन, दैट बोहेमियन वाइब सब कुछ मिलता है इनसे. आई स्टेड एट देयर प्लेस. हम रोज़ वहाँ जाके क्रैश करते थे और खाना साथ खाते थे, पूरा दिन साथ गुजारते थे, हाइकिंग करते थे. सो योगा, मेडिटेशन, लाइक यू जस्ट नेम इट, शी इज़ इनटू एवरीथिंग विच इज़ फन. एंड तो मेरा बहुत इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया ज़ोफ़ी के बारे में. ज़ोफ़ी, आज हम इस व्लॉग में क्या करने वाले हैं?
आज हम पाकिस्तानियों को वैसे ही सब्जियों से कुछ एलर्जी होती है, ठीक है. तो आज हम कोई वेजिटेबल्स बना रहे हैं विच आर गुड टू टेस्ट एंड अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. देसी फूड खा के भी तंग आ गए होते हैं. तो इट इज़ स्पाइसी सेशवान एग प्लांट्स.
यम. एंड ज़ोफ़ी ने जब मुझे ये बताया था तो मैंने कहा बस इस पे तो हम वीडियो बनाएंगे, बिकॉज माई लव फॉर वेजिटेबल्स एंड हर लव फॉर वेजिटेबल्स, एंड इवन इनके जो हस्बैंड है हसीब, वो भी लाइक हम तीनों वेजिटेबल लवर्स हैं. तो फिर आज सीखेंगे कि बैंगन सिर्फ आलू बैंगन के अलावा और लाइफ में
बिगारे बैंगन के अलावा भी कुछ है.
तो चलते हैं इंग्रेडिएंट की तरफ एंड लेट्स चेक इट आउट. Alright guys, so Zoffy is making these delicious eggplants. और ये एक it's kind of a mix fusion एक रेसिपी है. शूस्वॉ पेपर्स आप इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये मुझे बहुत डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स इस वक्त मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं ना, वो बैंगन के साथ आप रिलेट ही नहीं कर सकते. तो वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, सिंस वो ज़ोफ़ी की रेसिपी है तो वो ज़ोफ़ी ही बताएंगी कि विच इंग्रेडिएंट्स वी हैव राइट हियर.
Okay, first we'll talk about the fresh ingredients. उसके अंदर the most important thing of course is eggplant. और garlic आप जितना ज़्यादा यूज़ करो उतना कम है. In this particular thing, less is not more, more is less. And we have dhania, coriander, lemons, ginger, green onions. Actually हम दूसरा onion भी, red onion भी थोड़ा सा यूज़ कर लेंगे.
Okay.
Right? And for the dry kind of ingredients, of course, there is brown sugar, there is salt, and especially these days in pandemic, good turmeric is always a benefit. So start double your intake of turmeric. There is apple cider vinegar. There is soy sauce, which is very, very important. Of course, oyster sauce, it's an option. And finally, brown sugar and chili flakes. Ideally, you would want to use fresh red chilies, but agar available nahi hai, so this can be a lifesaver.
And also, Zoffy, you told me something about fresh red chilies. So, okay, when you go to a mart, you get fresh
Green
Thai chilies, like जो red वाली होती है, but they're really costly. So, what you can do, कि Zoffy was like, just go to any maybe cart, ठेला, और वहाँ पे आप जो हरी मिर्ची जो पतली वाली होती है, which we call मलीर की मिर्च, वो जब लाल हो जाती है,
हाँ, you सारी green vegetables जो है ना, वो eventually लाल हो जाती है. तो आप वो बड़ा सा जो थैला होता है उनका, उसके अंदर you just dig in and find red chilies and you can use that. And that is an economical way to use red chilies अगर Thai नहीं बोल रही है.
Absolutely. तो I'm really looking forward इस बैंगन की रेसिपी के लिए, because I love eggplants. तो देखते हैं, अब बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. और पहले हम mise plus सामान रेडी करेंगे, which is like this French word for what you prepare before the recipe. सारी चीज़ें काट पीट के आप रखते हैं. That's called mise plus. So let's do it and see you in a bit.
And here we have Haseeb, meet my other friend who is also a life coach, live in Bhuban. They are a couple, Haseeb and Zoffy.
Alright, इसको हम अभी धोएंगे और सॉरी इसको काटेंगे, फिर इसको हम ठंडे पानी के साथ नमक ढेर सारा डाल के इसको पानी के अंदर बंद करके ऊपर एक प्लेट रख देंगे बड़े से बोल में, ताकि ये को आधा पौना घंटा जो है इसकी कड़वाहट निकल आएगी.
Alright, Chef Haseeb.
Because ये मेरे sous chef हैं, तो इनको यही instructions हैं कि ये अच्छी तरह से बैंगन काट के और नमक वाले पानी में ऐसे डिप करें कि every बैंगन is in salt water.
Yes. So अभी देखते हैं instructions Chef Haseeb कैसे follow करते हैं.
I need a cutting board.
Okay.
ये है ना.
There you have.
बड़ा
fancy है ये. For this recipe of Sushma eggplants, it's preferred if you take gold बैंगन.
Zoffy slices ही करूँ ना?
ये छोटूस हैं तो स्लाइसेस कीजिए।
हम छोटू नहीं हम
छोटूस हैं, बैंगन छोटू है ना, बड़े नहीं है। बैंगन्स को कह रही हैं? नहीं नहीं, बैंगन्स छोटू हैं।
ये फिर मुझे काट दूंगा।
इट्स ओके, ये हम इसमें डिप कर रहे हैं। सारे के सारे एग प्लांट्स हम ठंडे पानी में डिप कर रहे हैं, राइट?
हाँ, साथ नमक ऐड करते हैं इसमें।
नमक ऐड करेंगे।
I'm going to put this tang or something so that they are
They are always submerged in water.
And
जोर
we are
से।
cutting this
Yes. Well done, Aisha.
and
Already वो आधे से ज़्यादा peel हो गया है.
that's so right. And we're cutting
Perfect.
this
And
part.
now you just need to just do this and it's all done. See?
Awesome tip, Sophie.
Thank you.
ये मैं स्पून से इसको पील कर रही हूँ. दिस इज बेटर बिकॉज इसमें एक पतली लेयर निकलती है.
ये आलू है कि क्या है ये?
दिस इज जिंजर.
This is ginger?
Yes, I'm peeling it with a spoon like this.
Is this possible?
Yes, it's
Yes.
possible. See,
No,
have
it's
a
not
look.
possible. You're seeing something that's unreal.
No, it's not unreal.
This is I'm capturing it, so it's
See?
like
It's the right thing to do.
Yeah. And then you still have the flavor. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. We'll do the
order
white
some
part
nihari also?
separately.
So how many lemons is there?
2.
2 lemons.
Two, because this is like 1.5, लेकिन बड़ा वाला lemon. And hello, meet Zophie's prep chef, Aisha Abrar.
Hey guys, never throw away lemon peels. Just keep them in there because if you're one of the homemakers, every time you are alone in the kitchen, just put it there and it is so good for your skin.
Good tip. And along with that, there's another tip. When you're unable to squeeze one lemon, okay, add another one
Oh, good one.
and just
Good
Squeeze
one.
it.
Good one. Good one.
Gets the juices out, really, yeah.
Okay, so never throw away lemon peels because they are great for the hair because it's a conditioner and it's a toner for the skin as I mentioned earlier. लेकिन हर दफ़ा घर में एक lemon चाहिए होता है for cooking etc. और कभी मिलता नहीं है. So what you do is you take out the lemon juice and you put it in an ice cube tray and you freeze it and put it in a Ziploc bag. You'll never run out of lemons.
So not just one lemon, like it has to be about 20-30 lemons for
Come on,
for the whole
Haseeb.
trip.
Matlab, the girls watching out there know that nobody's going to get one lemon. Come on. Duh.
Seriously, हाँ, okay.
And now we'll be making some sauce. जिसमें हम add करेंगे soy sauce. So soy sauce is the first thing we're gonna add in the sauce.
And there's already brown sugar in there. Haseeb, have you opened the apple cider vinegar?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. A little bit apple cider vinegar. And you have to squeeze 2 lemons that I'm going to add and salt de do. Oh, lemons are already there.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe. That's all in there. And now some chili. I love chili. You can, it all depends on what you like, how much chili. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि अगर fresh red chilies हों तो that's beautiful. But we can use chili flakes.
And what is happening here?
Okay, so according to Zophie's instructions, I am putting some corn flour on each slice of eggplant. और Zophie इसको इतना बस cover करना है.
हाँ बहुत है.
अच्छी तरह cover कर दो.
बस
अच्छा.
इसको toss कर दो ना.
Make sure कि everything is powdered.
Yes. I'm making sure कि ये properly हर slice
That will also
is
absorb
covered.
the extra moisture in there, which is actually good for frying.
Ooh, so they would turn crispy, golden brown. So guys,
I'll taste it.
ये सॉस बन चुकी है जो कि मैं और मैंने बिल्कुल चीटिंग नहीं की. मैंने ज़रा सी भी ये सॉस चखी नहीं है. आई एम ट्रस्टिंग ज़ोफ़ी कि जब हम ये पूरी कंप्लीट हो जाएगी तभी हम खाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ द किचन वेयर वी
और मज़े की बात ये है कि जो भी आप सूश ओके ये बस इनको छोड़ दीजिए. You know, in our desi cooking as well, we keep trying stuff. So salt कम है, sugar कम है, soya sauce ज़्यादा है. So you just go with your instincts.
यस और अच्छा तो सारी मैंने दिखा दी थी कि किस तरह से उन्होंने मिक्स की थी. अब यहाँ पर
हुआ है
अच्छा, हाँ,
just
ये
corn
important.
flour with eggplants. Eggplants को हमने salt में dip किया हुआ था, salt water में आधे पौने घंटे के लिए, और उसके बाद उसको drain करके and just put corn flour और उसके अंदर इनको कर दें because we are going to fry it until they are brown.
Fry over here. The fire is on, and like you have to bring them on high heat. start with.
Absolutely. And the best test is
One.
हाँ, अभी नहीं, अभी वो इतना ज्यादा बबल नहीं कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, okay.
So we are just going to wait a few minutes and we'll be back with you.
मैं बबल कर रहा हूँ वैसे. Yeah.
All right. The oil has to be piping hot ताकि जैसे हम डालें तो they start bubbling and they start frying. और आप इतना ऑयल करें कि डीप फ्राई भी नहीं है और पैन फ्राई भी नहीं है. It should be enough to cover the sides. And this is going to be brilliant.
And guys, for all the Weight Watchers, you can always use an air fryer. You can always use less oil, more oil. This is how we are doing it. This is how Sophie is doing it.
By the way, you can even grill the eggplant.
Ooh, yum.
Do you understand? Without, of course, the corn flour, but you can grill them and then put the sauce on it.
All right.
But I am also the sous chef. Like there are also a variation. You put very little pan fried oil, and then you add a little bit of stuff to it, and soya sauce to it, and other thing, and just sugar. If you don't have any other material, but Zofi has some magic ingredients waiting for us after the eggplants are actually ready. So, but they're gonna take a little while. But if you see that the fire is like medium to high, so we need a strong, yeah.
And
And this
Hasib,
will also absorb the oil less if the fire is high.
yeah. And Hasib, most people don't fry the eggplants to its perfection. वो जल्दी निकाल लेते हैं तो वो मशी हो जाती हैं. They have to be actually brown on both sides before we can use them.
All right. That's such a good thing.
Okay, so see, it looks so different from the this side right now because looks like it is very raw, but the other side is being cooked right now. So you gotta have wait so when we turn the video on next time, it's gonna be a little bit more brown. We'll turn them around, right? But
Okay, we are going to put garlic and ginger together. If you have red onions, you can put it before the garlic and ginger. लेकिन थोड़े से ऑयल में इनको सॉटे करना है ताकि इनके ऑयल्स और फ्लेवर्स जो
Saute
हैं वो perfect आ जाए.
और guys, ये fresh
While
है.
we are frying the eggplant.
so if you have desi ghee, this will be an added advantage because why? Because you will be having some great oil as a base to the whole food.
Going to put green onions in there. While the garlic and ginger have been sauteed and their oils have flavored the oil, we won't put the coriander anytime sooner. We are just going to saute this.
Right.
And Hasib, hang on.
And what's on the other pan?
In the other pan are eggplants and they are getting brown, beautifully brown. And I want it really, really crisp because a lot of people don't make their eggplants crisp, so they become mushy.
I like these.
That's a great recipe, Zofi. Where did you learn about this?
My husband is a foodie and I love to cook for him.
Your husband is a fool? Oh, sorry?
Yeah, he's a
That
fool.
too. But Zofi, this smells awesome.
Doesn't
Really?
it?
Oh my
Really?
god. Green
Does it?
onion, ginger garlic, yum.
The concoction I made with oyster sauce, with apple cider vinegar, with salt, brown sugar and chili flakes because we don't have fresh red chilies. I'm just going to put it in here. Ooh.
Yum, yum.
Should be like
Nope.
So this is the magical sauce.
And I'm going to try some before. Hang on there, Hasib. I'm now going to put the coriander. Lots and lots of coriander because it flavors everything so beautiful.
I love coriander, so Sophie, I'm already loving this recipe. Already loving it.
Nice.
Great smell, right?
Oh, yum. अच्छा अभी कोरिएंडर की वजह से थोड़ी सी अभी और आएगी जब थोड़ा सा पकेगा.
What are you doing now?
So I just added corn flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour in 2 tablespoons of pani, and I'm gonna add this in the sauce. But अभी नहीं, जब ज़ोफ़ी मुझे बोलेंगी, जब सारे बैंगन I think हमारे फ्राई हो चुके होंगे, तब हम करेंगे ये काम. Yeah. पानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया.
All right, we've already fried the eggplants and all the other green ingredients have been sauteed in the pan with oysters, soya, apple cider vinegar, etc., etc. Hasib, come closer, please. And just to give it a very, very glowy touch, we put some corn flour in water and we just stir it. We have the sauce ready. Aisha, would you do me the honors to put it on
Yeah,
top of the eggplants and the boiled rice that we have here? Okay,
So-
just go easy all the way. Okay.
I'm gonna add it in a way that थोड़े eggplants
Everything is coated, but don't worry. We are going to toss it a little bit more. Oh my God. You're going to enjoy so much. You have no idea.
It smells wonderful.
sauce. देती हूँ मैं. I just put some sauce on this eggplant, और ये पूरे का पूरा.
How is it, Aisha?
Mommy, this is so good.
Cute.
I can taste ginger, garlic, और मुझे लग रहा है it's मीट की कोई मुझे कमी फील नहीं हो रही है. This is awesome. Oh my God, Sophie. मुझे I always like love vegetables, but now I've like fallen in love with vegetables even more, Sophie. ये मेरा family favorite होने वाला है.
Look at this, guys. You have no idea how amazing eggplants can be because we are going to just toss it a bit more so that the sauce is coated, and look how brown all the eggplants have to be before you eat it with steamed rice, or you can make it with garlic rice, and we'll come again and then you will know how to make garlic rice. So enjoy, guys. This is a beautiful dish to enjoy with your loved ones, right?
Yeah, thank you, Sophie.
Okay, Hasib, stop because we want to eat this amazing food.
But you
Yes,
look so
and-
beautiful over here.
Actually, who? Sophie?
Both of you.
Thank you. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you like this recipe. If you're a Bengal lover, if you're not a Bengal lover, even then. So try it and let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, then please subscribe to my channel.
And what do you think about my voice? Please comment on my voice also. Hello.
And पीछे
Okay.
वॉइस ओवर चला एक इंतहाई हैंडसम इंसान का जिनको मैं एक वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी which is gonna be about yoga and meditation. And
Oof.
it's gonna be at the beach. So stay tuned.
Be there.
I know. And I have a channel called Coffee with Zoffy. वो cooking के बारे में नहीं है, but बहुत से और challenges के बारे में है.
Oof.
So see you there.
और नीचे उसका लिंक मैं लिख रही हूँ. So go there, subscribe to her channel too, and see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you.